Good morning, guys. It's currently 4, I think it's 4 o'clock. We're here at Surigao City in Pagulaga. Currently stopping by at Jollibee Surigao for breakfast. So, we're Gulaga. Ganda-ganda. At Surigao City Port. Saan namin dito? Just bought one bag. Ano lang mo? Backpackers. Mountain? Where?
Want to go house?
Go home na ta?
House ni Kuya John? No? Where are you going? Playground?
And this is when moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories. Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life. So I sit back and
Put it inside here. Get shawls and put it inside here.
Ay, ba? Ano naman, paniki. Wala So cold. Oh, so cold.
You're not scared, are you? Will?
Isa pa naman wala makakalimutan sa intro. Mamay ba? Ay, wala. Bakit? Ano lang? Upat na mo ari. Bakit mo na konto kildo eh.
Picture, go!
1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oma, bukan sa'yo.
Ano kayo sa sa'yo?
Oh.
Diri mo lang. Diri mo taas pictorial. Diri mo. Diri mo mag-picture.
Oh, pwede.